Don't be deceived by fancy talkers.
The worst MP in the history. I don't know your man constituency for. Opa, go there.
Kennedy Aponte is a fancy talker?
I've not said so.
But you don't dispute that he has a very strong affinity with the base of the party, the grassroots.
Who is the... Look, if we're talking about the grassroots, I'm a
One
grassroots.
a couple for phone or parliament chain or more cancer. So I'm going to need reply. O can't say cardiac caprices and a bemo to me a bit much Ghana for your pay.
All right, so we say ciao. I Phoenix, Medini Edisiki. Now, Yanko NPP prime minister because Sisia Manoka say no, Ijano, Sa ena aso. Now go PMO NPP are the latest. Ernest Usubempa, and opinion say Chime Sambunsu. Now, Ninam, primaries, presidential primaries, ensem. Now, Obekaya, there is this video, interviewer, Honorable Chime Sambunsu, etimi grantee, Edema Joy News. Now, this particular interview, there is a part of it where he described Kennedy Japan in some ways, starting a draw comparison, not between Kennedy Japan and Baumia, but between Kennedy Japan and I feel so or no Chime Sambunsu. Because and some of you see here, a video we which say Kennedy Japan is just a fancy talker. What I say, the actions and any words in a sebi a match. Now, Ebra or describe Kennedy as a fancy talker, and so ye ignore no, na ye intimi a movie on no. People started drawing conclusions say between Kennedy Japan and I feel so Chime Sambunsu politically, when and abobra about politics, any constituency. Impact amount for enya ewo politics man omumienu kwan e na abobra abusebra o kan san semienu ene Ernest Usubempa ya wono so elko e dia Team Ken watimi akode dirty ye betimi akọ now yentie the Honorable Chime Sambunsu etimi ekai in this particular interview where he described Kennedy Japan as just a fancy talker now my funny serious.
Action speaks louder than words.
What are the actions?
You are old enough to remember the lyrics of Jimmy Cliff.
Yes.
Right? Action speaks louder than words. Don't be deceived by fancy talkers. Thank you.
Kennedy Aponte is a fancy talker?
I've not said so. I'm just playing back the music of Jimmy Cliff to us.
But you don't
when you go back to the studio, please play it for me.
I will. But you don't dispute that he has a very strong affinity with the base of the party, the grassroots.
Who is the... Look, if we're talking about the grassroots, I'm a grassroots man. I started with this party in 1992.
You may have started there, but you're an establishment. You represent the establishment.
And I represent the grassroots as well.
Yeah, but that's where you started. If
I were disconnected with my grassroots at Swami, I couldn't have, on 7 consecutive occasions, been their representative. I'm a grassroots person. Yes. I don't dispute the fact that he may also have his own connection with the grassroots. After all, he also contested 6 times his constituency, right? When he left, he surrendered the seat to the NDC.
But your comparison...
When I left, as I maintained the seat for the NPP.
Yes, but
so in terms of grassroots connect, let's overhype our strength. Don't let anybody over-exaggerate his strength. Action, as I've told you, speaks louder than words.
All right, so Ebra can say pay. And I just say Usubempa, and Sunya Quenya on Repair TV, the latest. Ya watimi a drop watimi describe or say Chime Sambunsu plainly. Ya watimi say in the whole of NPP or more maybe dia MPs are whole parliamentarians. Any other say o compare na say o say Chime Sambunsu pa any will be a wabon. Now ne bono politically wabon, academically wabon, and some are working for Kennedy Japan who be ano. Sebi ono ena e deserve. Na ono ena echim ami ati asase say o say Chime say about politics a wabon to extend say ebra no isi so no at a point etimi kodu baby say afedi emu aye den ema eye bag bi mu nyina no etimi eba beboa no eye campaign e de man say wo compare eye Ken eni Chime Sambunsu mpo ejina ho a na say Kennedy Japan de okọ nanim e wo politics abrabum. Now the ensem a eye Chime Sambunsu ho kan ye no a shifted the focus every Kennedy Japan versus Baumia. Now it is between Ken and Chime Sambunsu because equally Chime Sambunsu will be about politics any MPP mu a where hot what I say wintimi enyini nsinchen enti no say ono be describe Kennedy Japan any Baumia wetimi compare ono ache say Kennedy Japan fancy talker no abusia Ernest Usubempa etimi akọ ne
I see because I have heard some of your
because
senior party members.
yes, because
you are your fanciful talker.
fanciful talker in what say kasa di bidi checking wine e kasa sem e wine e kan penny for wine kan ipa ni bi kire me kan bodi ni bi kire me na me nyi o ma no me si bo mu di tie party penny for no bodi na me nyina no wine e na me say fanciful talker one e fancy one e ka bro fufun e o parliament chen o mo ke kasa asem so amoni di me so me reply no o ka hwem se ka ne ka precis na chese no e be mo wetima e betima kire Ghana for the omope na de ono constituency wo ko no ene ya me no yo pa ye nko ho constituency o tena so the worst parliamentarian in the history of MPP e Kuma ye ni na na tikumase me see ye ni na na tikumase edurubere bi na ne constituency for listen
he won the constituency
kapu tikumase minua tikumase oh no me ba mama kasam chiro mama kasam chiro mama kacho de listen the asema wo kan don't try to go into the realm of baby aye kono is too a hot true ye nyina enim krom ha the most unpopular MP from 20 to after 2016 elections to na bro e ma NDC for agbangba bi mu nyina be campaign wa to na bro e okrom ha na de enim the worst MP in the history there no ye man constituency for opa go there the most unpopular MP because they almost do MPP no almost to about no the person
really
yes and it's in the heart of Ashanti region don't compare Asifosu to Ashanti region the heart of Ashanti region
where
yes Swami constituency the heart listen to me the heart of Ashanti region the heartbeat unim Kumase why are you talking the heartbeat of Ashanti region it on paper tinukura no ba koto na nka sebi na re wodi ayi kura kogina onom kura no obe perform better than him would obi different candidate kogina obe perform better than him e dey no why he was just a fortunate leader in the midst of an affairs obenya political party e good no timi ebenya baby gina ya okokeka brofo enye brofo ayi sa brofo colonial brofo na ekeka no yinju ne yadidi ayi a anka onu ko bi beti nkan wo baby yes I'm not attacking it. No I'm not I've not mentioned anybody's name here you talk una oka me I've not mentioned his name because I don't want to mention anybody's name
we are making reference to himself
I am not listen to me
Ghanaians should not be deceived by fanciful
and Ghanaians should also not be listening to people who have no merit in Ghanaian politics. I don't know what my apart from so parliament or kind hands as in the I don't know why I'm a Ghana. Then why am I Swami for? Swami dear no ho. A den no quay or Swami ho. Ah, Munyasa, Canada, Japan, Korea or King. Canada, Japan, allegedly, Nyoma Wayamo say Chemensabusu or no one Kasa. He knows what he did for him. In Tiameka. Yameka de Kenya Japan ayama no nkyere na yema details nyenka nyina na obi ahu de wayama no why are we doing this to ourselves sebi penny de anka untena fie a untena fie massive amfo untena fie enye saa and the politics na it goes beyond this because why is he so belligerent I'm using the why is he so belligerent in attacking Kenya Japan why is he talking like that Aden obi a woni no woni ni na oh what is fanciful talk
so
Canada Japan walk the talk ke Osecha Mansabusu watima sika Diotoroxy center e wo 37 military hospital watimi di ni sika sika onya ide no de then watimi no ade ni personal money ayama so amefo o meka mi entie Canada Japan build a whole Confanochi hospital MRI machine is you oko twakra yi untua hwe mebwa you know about it go and find out what he has done we're building factories creating jobs for the ordinary Ghanaian people and then go for being sakomano because of Canada Japan what is he talking about enti obi nso so ntwena no si no so buy wa mehwe ye de ye nkasa ankyere no but obeye adwuma of parliament I respected that but the constituency ho he was one of the worst from after a year obedi pa MP ho omo so ne sade ne ba ko hu om kra no atwam oti ase enti
these allegations
listen to me what I'm saying is o can say fanciful talker what does that supposed to mean or can fanciful talk what is the meaning of fanciful talker Kennedy Japan walk the talk he always ye ka so be a o ye leader o gina ne na so a o kan o ye Kennedy Japan How do you compare leaders? How do you compare leaders? Say Kennedy Japan is just a fanciful talker. Do you believe that? Do you believe that Kennedy Japan? He walked the talk.
But you see,
he dares where the lions cannot go. Kennedy Japan. That is a kind of leader. There's a difference between Kennedy Japan and Chairman Sabusu. Say promise a man for year to say allegedly. Ya de man unti no kasa sadia on to tunu so in wa bonten fa ha
or paradigmated.
Minim
So
no anything no wo yes onko so
then our case allegedly on
and I may say sad ye tintin wo yes belligerent attack on Kennedy Japan. It will fall flat in his face. It will never work because we need popularity via our grassroots. MPP for o say Chairman Sabusu twem o twem sesia na MPP for ye hunu say no pejane so bia no go be fi no o say Chairman Sabusu. I'm telling you, we MPP for grassroots delegates won fan here. I'm telling you, me say, look at the me say, I am telling you, they make swami opa mami opa me no tonchia. Me no say Chairman Sabusu tinsi swami. Sisia me no mi osu bempa. Na mo fa camera ni echi ni hwede obeje fans. E wo swami sisia. Opa sisia opa. I'm daring no say Chairman. And now on Kennedy Japan. Me de okay mami nyim hu film. No on Kennedy Japan fa swami. O Chairman Sabusu ni swami. Ko mbebo no tutu. Now be who the way be hailing Kennedy Japan. Opa, I am daring. No, me can so be a fanciful talker. The people's man is Kennedy Japan. You should walk on the street of Swami. I'm daring you. Free fatuo now payen to challenge. No only Kennedy Japan fa Swami from main Swami police station. Uncle Fa magazine where Uncle see a Mercury Junction. Near share the Obenya fans. You share the Obenya fans.
All right, so we a team Ken. Yes, you see, no, almost ejana so a omo chemsi say dey no bagawaya what I say. Wudi see a ombecha. And so honorable Chairman Sabunsu edikosi Ernest Owusu Bempa etwa. Ya chese kwesi kwaten enso etimi atomo nchine. Abusu acha wadwen e wo comment section ha Phoenix Media. Say ena your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe say be ya post video a also ubetimi enya update.